Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can sell your home for more money. Love for you to stay till the end where I share with you a change that may not seem like it's a benefit, it will put more money in your pocket. From photography to proper pricing. Make sure you like, share, and hit the subscribe bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Rupa and I'm your community realtor. I serve the amazing people of Toronto, especially Mississauga. This video is going to teach you 3 essential steps to selling your home to get more money in less time. Some sellers think that their homes are going to sell the first weekend that is up for sale and to get top dollars, but that's not always the case. These 3 steps are essential when selling your home to get more money and also in less time. Step number 1, preparing your home to sell. Home staging is key when it comes to selling your home for more money and also in less time. I can't stress this enough. We live in a time where people will sift through 40 homes of any property before they even decide to walk through the door. If a professional staging is not an option, do it yourself. There are many simple updates that you can do in order to prepare your home for the market. In addition to making sure everything is neat and clean, you may want to swap out old hardwares with new ones, paint, and also add flowers to the front yard. Throw in some fancy pillows on the couches. Your home should be an eye candy for the potential buyer. Step number 2, pricing your home to sell. Ideally, your home should be listed at market value. But right now, as you know, homes are just flying off the shelf. With little help with staging, photography, and digital marketing, it should sell pretty quickly and with multiple offers. Pricing your home correctly is an art form. It can make a difference between just selling and selling with more money into your pockets. Looking at all the other homes that are sold in your neighborhood and coming up with a reasonable number that will be priced to sell. Step number 3, place your home up for sale. Selling a home quickly is so much more than just putting a sign in the yard. Don't make a mistake to just posting thinking that will just sell on its own. Part of selling to get the most money is to have a plan of action. Gone are the days of printing it in a newspaper or a magazine, because the buyers nowadays start their search in the comfort of their home, not driving around. Now for my bonus tip. While it may not seem like it's worth having a real estate agent by your side, but it makes a world of difference. A professional doesn't just post and pray. They have a plan of action from pre-selling, marketing, to finally handing out the keys to the buyer. They don't just put it on MLS, but make sure that it's on all online websites. A great agent will also have a rock-solid marketing plan to ensure that your home gets as much traffic as possible in the shortest amount of time. If you found value in this video, we'd love to see more future content. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you want to reach out to me, see the text below. From me, you'll get no pressures, no sales tactic, just the help and the guidance that you need. See you in my next video.